Hello people, in this video we're going to see how to schedule Microsoft exams. Okay, before going into that, we will just have a brief. What is Microsoft? Microsoft is a multinational company, which is an American multinational company basically, which is located in Washington. What they are doing is they are providing so many services for people and also for business, so that they can use their full potential. They are offering so many certifications and also exams for the instructors and also for non-instructors and students, so that they can learn how to use the Microsoft services. Okay, here you can see that Microsoft certifications reflect today's cloud focused jobs, and also it helps you get ahead, be productive faster, and receive the recognition that you deserve. Okay, now we will go into that. I have put this URL in my description so that you can access that easily. If you want, you can see this and you can go into that so that you can register your exam. Okay, this is the Microsoft page. In this you can see Microsoft certification exams. By technology they have filtered it: Azure exams, data exam, Microsoft modern desktop, Windows server, etc. And also here you can see all certification exams beta. Okay, what certification I am going to do is Azure certification. So I am going to click Azure exams. Okay, it is loading. Exam AZ 204, exam AZ 203. Okay, I am searching for AZ 900. Okay, I got it. Okay, now I am showing this in a mobile interface. You can use this in your laptop or your desktop also. The interface will be different, but the things will be same. Okay. Before scheduling an exam, about this exam it will show what are the languages available, that is English, Japanese and Chinese, Korean are available, and then what are the skills are measured for this exam, that also will be shown. Skills measured, here you can see this, and there are two ways to prepare. One is online, you can start learning all those 12 modules, and then instructor led paid. It will cost, so that they will train you, and then related certifications will be down in the bottom. Now I am going to schedule the exam. Before scheduling I have to click my country name, so I am giving India. Okay, I am done. The Indian rupees is 3696. I am now going to click schedule with Pearson VUE. Okay, it reached my dashboard. If you haven't logged in, it will ask for your primary account. After giving your mail ID and password, it will direct there. And now I am going to fill the form. Okay, I have filled my form. In this, the thing to have in mind is, that is, you are going to show a government issued identification, that can be your license or some other thing. The thing is, your name in that government proof and also here in this form should be same, otherwise you can't attend your exam. And then it will ask for area code after your country code and phone number. In area code you can just give 0, it is suffice, and then save and continue. Just check your form after filling it, because it is very important. Yeah, it is asking for your name match your identification. Just check with your government proof, otherwise you can't take your exam. So mine is correct, so I am giving accept. After that it is done, and you can go for Pearson VUE for completing your transaction. Yeah, it is asking select exam options. Now I'm going to click at my home or office, showing that you have to write with that system and on your same location before your scheduled appointment. So after that I'm going to give next. So agree to online exam policies. Just read all these, and then after reading just tick check, and then you can give next. Select exam of your language, so I'm giving English. After this it is show the price, that is 3696, language is English, and then next. Select proctor language, that is English, next. I have scheduled it on May 22, 7:45 p.m. Now you can go to checkout and you can check everything and then give accept, because I have already read all, so I'm just giving accept, but you check everything. Add voucher or promo code. I have voucher code, so I am just pasting that and giving apply. So yeah, my estimated total to you is 0. Now I'm giving next. Almost there. It is showing my appointment May 22, 7:45 p.m. and my exam and my price, and then submit order. Oh, it's done. You have successfully scheduled an online exam on the date of your appointment. Be sure to return to the exam details page 30 minutes before your exam is scheduled to begin. That's it. You can also schedule your exam. All the best for your exam. I hope this will be very helpful for registering your exam. All the best. Do well. Thank you. Bye.